Okay, what if we want to capitalize each one of these kids? I can do upper, or I can do, that's not so great, I can do title, which will capitalize, or even actually just capitalize. I can call. So let's say I want to capitalize. We get our kids like this. Some of them are lowercase.
Yes.
And let's say now we want to go through each one
Right.
and capitalize.
Right.
All right?
So let me look. So quotation for Emmett, period. Why'd you write period again?
Well, this is a method. It's like I'm digging into this string.
Okay.
And string has a method on it that lets me capitalize.
Okay.
All right? So
with parentheses at the end.
Yeah, because it's a method. I execute a method by calling capitalize. By calling parentheses, if I forget, we're just going to see the name of the method of the function, string.capitalize. But to call it, to run it, right, to actually hammer that hammer, right, we put in the parentheses.
Okay.
Okay, so now this time, what we want to do is go through each kid and let's print the capitalized version of the kid.
So you do 4 kids in kids.
No.
Why not in kids?
Well, 4 kids is wrong.
4 kid.
Okay.
In kids.
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to capitalize it?
Yeah.
Okay. So do quote kids dot capitalize quotation parentheses.
This?
Yeah, try shift return. Please do it.
Well, if we print...
Oh, I forgot to do print.
All right, but look, this just prints out the word kids 3 times.
No way. 4 kid in... Do I do 0, 1, 2?
Close. Well, think about what's happening here. This is going to go through each kid for me.
Yes.
Right, so it goes here, it runs this line, then it goes back to the beginning. Now kid equals Ellie, and it's going to run this line. Then it goes back to the beginning. Now kid equals Miriam, and it runs this line. So if kid takes turn being Emmett, then Ellie, then Miriam.
Right.
What should I put in here?
Comma.
No. So kid, this specifies...
Print kid.
Print kid? Why don't you write? Just write. What should you write?
Quotation kid. I would like to write kid. But that's what I did before, and nothing happened.
Well, try it.
Shift return.
So this is different than what you did before.
Oh, really?
What you did before was you put strings here, right? So when you're doing a string, this just means the raw data. So it's literally just going to print out the string kid each time. When you did this time around was you removed the string, and now you're referencing the variable. And this is called a block variable. And the variable points to a different element for each iteration of the for loop. So every time we go through the for loop, it's first pointing to Emmett,
right?
Then it points to Ellie,
right?
Then it points to Miriam. So that's why we print kid 3 times, and each time it moves through the list by 1 element.
Well, how did before I just got kids 3 times?
Because you did this. This is just the string kid. Print it 3 times. Go through Emmett, print kid. Now go to Ellie, print the string kid. Now go to Miriam, print the string kid.
Okay.
So instead, let's print, the variable.
Which is no parentheses.
Yeah.
That was my whole problem.
No quotation marks.
Quotation marks.
Yeah. Now, if I want to print the capitalized version of the kid each time.
So print parentheses kid, parentheses capitalize. What will that give me?
Wait, print. Well, why don't you? It's actually print kid dot. So I'll make it easier. We'll do this. We'll say kid dot capitalize equals the cap kid. Okay, so this is a capitalized kid, and now I'm going to print it.
Okay, so hold on. So then, well, you did 2 steps to get there.
Right, because I tried to break it down. First, let's capitalize. So this takes me to Emmett, to capital Emmett. And now print out capital Emmett. Then move on to the next kid. Kid now equals Ellie. Capitalize Ellie. Print out Ellie. Then kid is Miriam.
Right.
Capitalize Miriam. Print out Miriam. Hit the end of the list. We're done.
Right. That's a loop.
That's a loop.